Folks, we are headed to space.
Billionaire Richard Branson blasted into space Sunday, high above the New Mexico desert aboard his own winged rocket ship.
And now I'm looking down at a beautiful spaceport. Congratulations to everybody for creating such a beautiful, beautiful place.
He and 5 Virgin Galactic employees flew on the VSS Unity. A specially designed aircraft called Mothership Eve flew Unity to about 8.5 miles altitude and released the rocket plane. Unity's rockets then pushed the ship into space. Unity has a maximum altitude of about 55 miles. Passengers experienced 3 to 4 minutes of weightlessness in the suborbital flight. Unity then glided to a runway landing.
And there is full stop.
All right.